your hands clean. You said the world burns, don't become what you see. You said wait it out, son, night don't last forever. But the dark moved in closer, and it learned my name better. I walked straight, I bit my tongue, but the streets demanded every ounce of mercy I had. Do the right thing, don't be an animal. I held that line till it shredded my hands. Do the right thing, don't be an animal. Tell me, Father, what do you do when no one understands? I watch them circle, watch the good ones fold, watch kids turn feral before they turned old. They said this is our home, said blood proves belonging. I shut my mouth, but the silence tasted wrong. I paid my dues, I buried friends, watched lives snap before they'd even begun. Do the right thing, don't be an animal. I said it back like it might still be true. Do the right thing, don't be an animal. But the rules break when the hunt comes for you. You never told me what to do when the law turns blind and the wolves walk free. You never told me how many graves a man must stand over before he's allowed to move. To the edge, saw the prey corner, hands shaking, gun heavy, a child already losing. They didn't flinch, they pressed forward, counting on numbers, fear, noise like teeth gnashing hungry. I fired to warn, I fired to scare. They scattered, but the bodies stayed broken. And the mirror in the gutter showed me my own face, pale, wrong, ready to strike. The city had made me feral.